about what we're doing on a regular basis. I mean, especially me in my industry, I think everybody in the world now, after COVID, everybody's just working harder than ever. And realistically, we need to figure out ways to have some time to recharge, to rest. All right, so this time of year, when we start to head into like holiday weekends, we start to head into like the summertime. One of the things that I want to talk about more importantly today than any other time of year, I think it's important for us to think about burnout. Um, you know, the law of diminishing returns is something that gets thrown around in economics, but I don't think it gets used enough from a people energy perspective on how much energy we put into our business, how hard we work. There's studies that have been done that if you work more than 50 hours a week, you're actually losing profitability on those hours. And if you think about it in terms of like success and anything you want to do, I love oversimplifying things. I love making things kind of like just look at it from a perspective of like simplistic mindset. Like that's what I talk about all the time. So here's my example of this. If I'm trying to get from point A to point B, if it's a short period, right? If I sprint, right? At some point I have to stop. Now, when you're putting maximum effort into something, you're covering maximum ground. You're getting maximum results, right? At that moment when you're sprinting. But you have to stop at some point because you can't sprint the full distance of what it is that you're trying to create, the full distance of where you're trying to get to. So think about what we're doing on a regular basis. I mean, especially me in my industry, I think everybody in the world now, after COVID, everybody's just working harder than ever. And realistically, we need to figure out ways to have some time to recharge, to rest, to build up our tolerance for what it is that we're going to be doing then going forward, and to build up some strength to then continue to sprint, continue to move forward. So as you approach this time of year, and as you approach like the summer months, holiday weekends, think about where you are from a perspective of how hard you're working. I'm sure you've been running super hard. You're being as consistent as possible. That is awesome. But think about for a moment, do I need a little bit of rest? Do I need a little bit of recharge? Is it time to take a little bit of a break because I'll come back stronger and better than ever? Hey, look, from working out perspective, you can't just work out every hour of every day, right? You work out, you rest, you come back at it the next day or the following day. You take time for that muscle to rebuild. You have to do the same thing with your mind muscle and how you're approaching your business and how you're approaching your life. Take some rest, take some time, take some recharging ability for yourself. You'll be better as a person. You'll be better as a husband, a wife, a brother, a son, any angle that you're looking at, you'll be better off for how you're going to approach everything. And of course, you're going to have greater success in your business. So that's my little tidbit for today. Take some time, take some rest. That's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm sitting at my pool. Take some time, rest up, charge up, and then go at it again after you have a little bit of that build up. Go get it. And as always, I love sharing this information with you. Think about what I'm talking about. Love making it simple for you. Do me a favor and show me some love. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, thumbs up, leave a comment below if this is information that's interesting to you. And of course, if you want to connect with me, my contact information is below. Feel free to do so. And I'll talk to you soon.